Hello and welcome guys to this interesting session of JavaScript part 5 where we are going to discuss about DOM method or document object model methods. Before starting the session guys, if you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon for future notification. And if you ended up liking my video, give me a like, share this video with your friends. Let's get started. HTML DOM method or document object model methods are actions you can perform on HTML elements. HTML DOM properties are values of HTML element. The properties like inner HTML, values, the tag name, the CSS style properties that you can set or change through JavaScript. So in JavaScript we can use this method getElementById, getElementByClassName, getElementByName, and getElementByTagName method to demonstrate this complete session. So let's move to Visual Studio Code. If you are following me this complete session, I am using this Visual Studio Code, this JavaScript session folder, which I am going to upload in the Google Drive and give the link in video description. Here I am going to create a new file. Okay, file, new file. Here I am going to add a HTML file will be session 5.html. Okay, I will copy paste the entire code into my session 5 and I will remove this complete script whatever I written. Okay, now as I told you we are going to use getElementById. Okay, first one is getElementById. So here I will be adding only one input which will be submit. Okay, here I am adding my script as usual functions. Okay, getElementById demo. Inside this I am putting a div. Okay, and I am giving this div id as message div. This function need to call inside the button on click. Now I'm going to implement my getElementById method. How I can do this? Document dot getElementById, you need to add bracket. Here my id is message div, msg div. In the properties, I told you the properties, I'm adding inner HTML equal to, it will take a string, so button is clicked. Save this. Now run the page. Okay, we'll see there is some error. Okay, guys, I missed this bracket. Okay, let's save it, run the application. Okay, I remove this text now. I'm checking that one. Refresh, submit, button is clicked. So I'm using getElementById method and inner HTML properties to set the properties as button is clicked. This is getElementById. Now I'm putting one more method which is I'm just keeping same. Right, class. So I have added a button giving the button name as class. You can see now get element by id demo and get element by class demo. So let's move to the class. So here I'm adding one class which I'm not giving any id, and I will move the class to something like here container. Okay. This class. Okay. Now I'm going to create one more function, just copy pasting this one, and function names will be get element by class demo and the class name is container. So here this will be get element by class name, right? The button is clicked. Now save this, rerun application. Okay, I think I did something wrong. Okay, here I am just adding get element by id button click and get element by id class name click to understanding that which is calling. Okay, now refresh the page. So this is get and button is clicked by id and this is by class. It's not working. Let's see why it is not working. Okay, what I was doing wrong, that a class a HTML file may contain multiple. Okay, so I need to specify the which inner HTML need to add. So we need to do this like this. So I just actually the wrong was here. Actually, it was previously it was the div was container, not this class. So it was adding here. Now refresh this. Right, it was not doing. Now here we can add like this. It will take the 0. So this is the first. So refresh this. So you can see it is coming get element by class name is working now. So my mistake was not giving the index. Next thing was we will see by name. How you can go with by name? Same thing I'm going with this one. Okay, I'm going to create one more function. Once you did one thing, let's copy paste everything. So I'm just here I'm giving a name. So name will be my name, anything. So here get element by name, I'm giving this one, and now no need of this, by name is clicked. Okay, now we will this one, and now run the browser, refresh the browser. Okay, here also I was doing the same mistake, the same index. So now I have added the index. Now run the application. You can see by class name. Okay, here by class name I added, sorry. Save it, by name, by class name, and by id. Now we'll go with tag name. How we can go with tag name? Tag name going little bit slightly different. So let's move to by tag name. Okay, add one more function and it will be by tag name, by tag name. Okay, so here you can see I have added a div, my div. Okay, added 3 paragraph 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm going to write my code like this. Okay, it will be constant element which you get element by id which is my div. Now get element by tag name. Tag is p, right? Now I want to display the this tag count, node count. So how I can do this? A lot. So here I can directly nodes dot count. right? Or I can give nodes not length. Now run the application or go to the browser. See, so there are 3 paragraphs. Go to here, update one, copy paste, right? Save it. Now refresh the page. 6 paragraph. So this there is a way to get element by tag name. So in this discussion, we cover get element by ID, get element by class name, get element by name, and get element by tag name method. Guys, I hope you like this session. If you do, give me a like and leave your comment and suggestion in the comment box. Thank you very much.